So what was the overall experience for you?
I had a great experience. It's so hands-on. It's so different from the ones I've had before. Like you go with the student through every module. You're asking them. It's really personal. So even if they don't get it, you try and explain it in a very simple way, so you fully understand what is being discussed. So it's better than others where they just tell you, this is the topic, read up on it, and let me know after. So it's a very hands-on experience, which is good, and you get to use the tools that you will be using on the job, and you practice with them. So that is also very nice, and it feels nice when you're in class, because there are not so many people in class, so you actually get time to talk about it. It's so different from the ones like myself, the classes I did before. You'd be like maybe 30 in the class, so you barely have time to to air out your views and your discussion. So it's the hands-on experience that really got me on this one. Very nice.
Great.
Highly recommend. I have a few people to send the link to.
That's great. That's great. Thank you so much. We appreciate that. And what would you say about your instructor?
She's pretty awesome. She's very, I don't want to use the word woke. These days, the word woke is associated in a very negative way, which I don't get, but she's very understanding, and she gives a personal touch, and I like that. Right now we're having it's been 3 weeks, right? Or a month?
About a month.
Yeah, a month. So she's checking up on me, which is nice to see how much progress I've made and what more help she can offer. So it's nice. So not everyone offers that. So once they're done with their class, it's up to you, but she checks up on you. You have a platform to check up with other members of the class. So I really highly recommend this class.
And how excited are you about your future after taking this class?
Pretty excited. I know there's more work ahead, because it's never easy in any field. You still have to put in the work, but I know I have the tools that I need to achieve that. And I have people in my corner from NSTAR backing me up. So I'm pretty excited about it. I know I'm going places. Yep.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much, Rowenna. It was a delight having you as part of the class. It is a delight having you as part of NSTAR alumni. And I am absolutely, I'm convinced that in a couple of short period of time, we're going to also be celebrating you in your multiple job offers.
Definitely.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.